Hello, my wonderful busy homemaker friends. And you're not going to want to miss what's going on in April in Deb's Decorative Life Tips and Inspiration group. I am Deb. You are in the office with Deb. And today we are discussing the April update, what's going to be happening. Woohoo! Few of my friends have already jumped in the group for this coming month coming up. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. I am your decluttering, organizing specialist, and we cover cleaning and everything else in the group. Now, two things are happening this month. One, there will be a live speaking event that I will be speaking at for an hour. I will be talking. This will be in a paid membership group that I will be talking in on next Thursday, April 8th. And I will be putting April 7th, the day before, I will be putting a link on my profile page where you can get in the group for free for 1 week so that you can hear my phenomenal talk on April 8th. Now, what am I going to be talking about? Oh, for those of you that know me, and some of you know this, some of you don't, some of you are new, I love talking about parties, throwing parties, planning parties. That's me. I am your party expert. I have courses on planning the perfect party, etc. Or birthday parties. Oh, I love it. And I'm going to talk about the Cinco de Mayo party, planning a Cinco de Mayo party, and your mindset. Because we're going to cut the stress. We're not going to get stressed when we're planning this party or why we're planning this party. Even if things go wrong. This is going to be phenomenal. So I will be posting more about that on my page. Like I said, the link will go in on the 7th. Be looking for a post coming up, tomorrow or over the weekend, maybe Monday, on my profile here for the link to the group event. Because I've got so many wonderful ideas for you. So, now, take me up on my consultation offer to you that I had mentioned previously. I have 2 spots left, and I'm going to give it to you a special price, like I have done for my group, but that offer is going to end for you guys, my friends, tomorrow night, Friday night. If you're all curious about it, DM me or comment consult, and I will get you information on it. Hashtag if you're watching the replay, let me know. Now, the second big thing going on in the group in April. Oh boy, we're gonna talk about dirty laundry, so to speak. We're going to talk about the laundry room, the laundry, the clothes, the detergent, the washer, the dryer. We're going to talk everything from ceiling to floor, decor, and more. Oh, have I got a cute little DIY for your laundry room if you want to make it. So cute. So cute, 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 cute. So, that's going to be coming up in April. Now, invite your friends, invite your relatives to the group. Because honestly, I give all the value in the group. My group gets all the information. You're not saying my posts on here because the value is in the group. Just so you know, I'm just saying. Or check it out for a month. Check it out for the laundry month and see what you think. But that is where I concentrate and put the value in that group with the videos. And we're doing 2 videos a week. They're different than what's on my profile. Just so you know. So, you've got the 2 pieces of information. If you missed it, either go ahead and re-watch the video or DM me and say, what did I miss? Because the first information was the speaking event on April 8th. And the second information is April laundry. Oh, we're going to take the dirty, we're going to get it clean and everything else. So, I hope to see you, my wonderful friends, and this group. Like I said, check it out for a month, see what you think. But that is where all my value posts and all my value video and everything else goes in that group. I cannot be everywhere and do everything. So the value goes in the group, the main point, bulk of it, just so you know. You are my wonderful friends. I care about you. That is why I created this group. And I hope to see you for the April laundry topic. It's going to be so much fun. All right. Thanks, my wonderful friends, for watching. Bye.